So here's some more criteria for search engines that most people don't know. Look up local tree companies, and it's going to recommend, the search engine that is going to recommend local tree companies near me. These are very popular search words and search terms near me. And I'm looking for a company, for example, professional tree company, and it's not showing up here. So you might ask, well, why isn't it showing up here? Well, there are a number of factors. There are a number of reasons why. For example, making sure you're updating the website regularly, making sure your business profile is updated, making sure you're on social media, making sure you're regularly engaging your audience. There's a whole slew of things that affect that. So it's not just search engine optimization techniques on a website. That's a very small part of it. It's digital advertising, like I said. However, if you were looking for professional tree in Sutton, because I know they're in Sutton. If you do that, you should be able to find them. There they are right here, professional tree. See, because they're showing, because there is a number of factors, there are a number of factors, search engine optimization factors that are on the website that make it more visible. Okay, so it will show up if you search for that particular business. Okay, but if you want to show up in the rankings, like I showed you earlier, where you have local tree companies near me, you have to invest in digital marketing. There has to be a process in place to invest in the marketing. That's why this is critical. And most people fail to understand that, or they think, well, I don't want to spend, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month or a year on digital advertising. Well, you get out what you put in if it's done well. So investing in digital advertising, if done well, will make sure that you pop up, because most people will type this in, local tree companies near me. Look at the top ranked search mechanisms here. Tree companies near Worcester, Mass. Tree companies near Sutton, Mass. All of these things are very, very popular. So we want to make sure that you show up in the rankings. And the only way to do that is to invest in a digital marketing solution. And it's very scalable. There are a lot of different solutions available. You don't have to spend too much, but there are a lot of techniques and strategies that'll help you become more successful as a local business.